The sign-stealing saga that was unearthed this offseason isn't over just yet. Now, the New York Yankees are allegedly involved. A New York judge ruled on Friday that a letter sent by MLB Commissioner Rob Manfred to the Yankees, addressing findings from a 2017 investigation into the team's supposed sign-stealing scheme, must be unsealed. This added wrinkle to the sign-stealing scandal has circulated as part of a lawsuit filed by daily fantasy sports contestants against Major League Baseball. DraftKings players accuse the league, along with the Houston Astros and Boston Red Sox, of defrauding them by stealing signs. Judge Jed Rakoff wrote in the report that the Yankees organization has argued the letter would cause significant reputational injury. That's why, in part, the team is being called to submit a minimally redacted version of the letter in order to protect the identity of the individuals mentioned by noon ET on Monday, according to The Athletic. A Yankees official, speaking anonymously to The Athletic, said the team is not doing this to cover up some smoking gun. Red Astros Stars Mock Judge, Yankees after latest sign-stealing rumor involves YorkThis. This case was previously dismissed by Rakoff in April, but the plaintiffs appealed the case to the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals on Friday. Prior to disciplining the Red Sox and Astros this year for their respective sign-stealing schemes in 2017, the Yankees had their own punishment. The club was fined in 2017 for illegal usage of a bullpen phone. Shortly after, in a press release, Manfred explained that the Yankees' conduct in question was not a violation of any rule or regulation. Boston was also fined at the time for using Apple Watches to relay stolen signs. Following the 2017 season, MLB updated its rules on electronic sign stealing, which led to Houston's punishment this winter. Plaintiffs argued on Friday that the report filed 3 years ago was false in its findings that the Yankees had only engaged in a minor technical infraction, Rakoff wrote. They believe the investigation rather proved New York engaged in a more serious sign-stealing scheme. The Yankees representative disagreed. There is no justification for public disclosure of the letter, Jonathan Schiller, a lawyer representing New York, explained in a statement to The Athletic. The plaintiff has no case anymore, and the court held that what MLB wrote in confidence was irrelevant to the court's dismissal of the plaintiff's case. Under established law, this supports the Yankees' right to confidentiality required by the Commissioner of Baseball. Schiller went on to tell The Athletic that the investigation was into conduct from 2015 and 2016, prior to the league's establishment of new regulations on sign stealing. It is the Yankees' understanding that the press release about the investigation reflects the commissioner's final determinations, Schiller said.